Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best adult folding bathtubs for small spaces and easy storage. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. Portable collapsible bath bucket bathtub large capacity. Perfect for home or travel, this portable, collapsible bath bucket has a large capacity and is ideal for both winter warm baths and summer ice baths. It's quick to set up with no installation required, offering hassle-free relaxation. The advantages of this adult folding bathtub are large capacity for comfortable full-body immersion, no installation needed for fast setup, compact and easy to store after use. The disadvantages of this adult folding bathtub are may not retain heat as well as permanent bathtubs, limited durability if used frequently. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. Folding Bath Bucket Adult Bathtub Hot Bath Ice Bath. This folding bath bucket is designed for both adults and kids, featuring PVC material that's easy to clean and highly durable. It's suitable for hot and ice baths, allowing for versatile use across seasons. The advantages of this adult folding bathtub are made from durable, easy to clean PVC material, spacious enough for family use, can be used for hot baths, ice therapy, or as a sauna tub. The disadvantages of this adult folding bathtub are PVC material may retain odors over time. Takes up significant storage space when not folded properly. At number 3. Lucky Deer Bathing Bucket Foldable Bathing Bucket for Adults. The Lucky Deer Bathing Bucket is a versatile and foldable tub suitable for full-body soaking and ice baths. Designed for home use, its compact folding design is ideal for those looking for both relaxation and recovery in a single bathtub. The advantages of this adult folding bathtub are compact design fits small bathrooms, easy setup and storage with foldable design, suitable for ice baths and full-body soaking. The disadvantages of this adult folding bathtub are may feel narrow for larger adults. Can be difficult to drain if not near a sink or tub. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. Foldable Bathtub for Adults Portable Bath Bucket. Constructed with quality plastic and a double-layered design, this foldable bathtub offers ample room and excellent insulation. It's suitable for those wanting a more luxurious experience at home without a fixed tub installation. The advantages of this adult folding bathtub are durable, thickened plastic with double layers for insulation, large size offers comfortable bathing space, portable and easy to fold for storage. The disadvantages of this adult folding bathtub are requires ample floor space when unfolded. Plastic may degrade with frequent hot water use. At number 1. Minimalist Portable Bathtubs Home Bathroom Folding Bathtub. With a minimalist design, this folding bathtub is perfect for a quick, full-body soak or even as a child's bathing tub. The thickened material provides durability, and it folds compactly for easy storage. The advantages of this adult folding bathtub are minimalist design suitable for adults and children, thickened material adds durability and comfort, compact folding for easy storage. The disadvantages of this adult folding bathtub are limited legroom for taller adults. May require frequent refills to maintain water temperature.